This week, Sigma Homes are carrying out another exciting project. We're here in Glanmire and I really like this housing estate. All the houses are detached with big back gardens. Behind me, we've qualified this home for the Retrofit grant. We're also doing a major remodel. We're building on an extension, which we're going to convert into a utility room, and another side extension we're going to use as a garage. With so much space to the side of the house, it was the perfect opportunity to build on this new base, and right here is where we're going to have our utility room. And this is a part of the magic because this links us to the porch to the back of the house, and once you go in that door, now we enter the new kitchen. This room was the original utility room for this home, and now with a big base and exciting bigger utility room being formed, we can now knock this wall and use it as kitchen space. Our bora and our cooking will all happen right here. Our counter will continue right down to meet a new feature. Here we've designed a bifolding window, so when you're sitting at this space you look out and it really connects you to the garden. It's kind of giving you that Spanish feel. At the opposite side we've got the big bank of units, but you know what makes it look so class is the handleless kitchen. Gives it that sleek look, and right in the center with a gorgeous timber frame we've got our coffee dock station. This space is being allocated for our dining, and it works out really well because we've got our kitchen and it flows straight into our dining. And from here, this is where we've got our sitting room. We've got some older style materials. We've got brick, we've got railway sleepers, and we've got stone. But it's these old features are going to connect so well with all the new materials, and it's the combination of both is where the magic happens. Big changes, and that's exactly what's happening in this room. The WC wall is getting demolished and we're making a big design change. In this room, we're reshaping everything. Right here, we're going to have the main bathroom, and the door will happen right here. We'll have a second door, so this room will have its own WC. From here, we get to see the remains of the existing bathroom. Here's the toilet, and right there is where the shower is. But the new design comes from one clever little idea. At the top of the stairs, we've removed that hot press. Now that's freed us up to build a much bigger and better bathroom. And on our right and our left, we're going to have two big double bed bedrooms. And to the very opposite side, we're going to be building on this home garage, and in here it's going to be perfect for all your storage. We're also going to use it for our plant room, so for our air to water unit and all the other pieces that come with it. This space is going to get to good use. Here we've got the remains of all the old rads. But when we spoke earlier about that bifolding window in the kitchen looking out onto that gorgeous garden, this is what it's all about. The 10th of May is our handover. Stay tuned.